message has been transmitted by request of the Fort Lauderdale Fire Department. An Amtrak train has crashed off the Highway 33 crossing. As a precaution, 8,800 gallons of gasoline have ignited the locomotive, catching it and the rest of the train on fire. Tune to your local station serving your media outlets. Broadcasting has been discontinued until further notice. Stay tuned for further updates as the situation develops. Emergency update: the tanker carrying the 8,800 gallons of gasoline has fully exploded and has torched the entire town of Fort Lauderdale. Evacuate now.